Welcome back. Day 11th of our trip and second day of camping. The whole night it's parked safely. Let's do the cold start. Today we will be going back to our farmhouse. And tomorrow is our last day of the trip. So, as we discussed, it will be a 12 days trip, almost a week. And don't know how it feels like we have started the trip just 2 days ago. We have enjoyed a lot on this trip. And as I said, I already planned for the next trip, where we take one of the supercars in forest. That trip we will execute a few days later. For now, we will go to our farmhouse, make ourselves ready for tomorrow, and take some rest. And tomorrow we went back home. Take our SVJ to the workshop. Remove all the wrap and wash it. I am coming for the first time from this way, so I don't know there have any roads or not. I am just following the roads. Yeah, I think there is a way to go. Because I saw the bridge. We are very close to our farmhouse. There are too many challenges we have to face this time. Truck is getting out of control sometimes. Don't know why. Finally, we are here. Now park it and take some rest. Like, share, comment, subscribe.